I will teach you how to see Archons hidden around us through human visual plasticity. You can reclaim your full range of sight, but only if you understand that the prison exists in your processing, not your perception. I'm going to teach you how to see what's actually standing in the room with you. You've been told that seeing is believing, but the truth is much darker. Believing is seeing, and right now your brain is performing an act so sophisticated, the censorship is deleting reality before it even reaches your conscious mind. The entities maintaining this system are the Archons. They don't hide behind walls, they hide inside your processing. And today, we're going to break the filter. Your brain is not a window. It's a bouncer at an exclusive club. Every second, your retina receives millions of data points, but you only see a tiny fraction. Now, neuroscientists call this predictive processing. Your brain doesn't see it. And what's there? It predicts what should be there based on your conditioning. If data comes in that doesn't fit your programming, your visual cortex classifies it as noise, it labels it as impossible, and then it deletes it. The Archons exist in this frequency. You were trained from birth to ignore. They are there. They're the glitches. You've been taught to call your imagination. This isn't supernatural barrier. This is pure weaponized neuroscience. People that have this innate ability are called schizophrenics. They see the shadow figures and they're attacked by them. The ones that are able to learn that we're just noise and it's our imagination, we go on to not being medicated. Now, you already see them. Everyone has, and you're alone in the room. You catch a movement in your peripheral. The shadow shifts a shape that doesn't belong. You turn your head to look directly at it, and it's gone. You tell yourself, I was tired. My eyes are tired. It's a trick of the light. But there's a secret here. Your peripheral vision is wider frequency range, has a wider frequency range than your central vision. It's your early warning system. It detects Archons before the central filter can interpret it as a noise signal. When you turn your head, your central vision, your high definition, heavily programmed part of your eyesight takes over. It runs a quick analysis, doesn't fit the human reality model for you, and no, it's deleted. It never happened. To see them, you have to bridge this gap. This is what is known as DOS technique. It's not about looking harder. It's about soft focus. Now first, relax your gaze. Stop trying to identify objects and expand your awareness while looking forward. Consciously feel the space at the edges of your vision. Now hold when your periphery catches a ripple or a shadow. Do not look at it. If you look directly at it, the filter will delete it. Now, by holding this soft focus, you are reprogramming your software. That you are telling your brain, this noise is actually data and I want it processed. This takes practice. You're debugging decades of cultural programming, but eventually the filter relaxes. The evidence becomes undeniable. And the breakthrough happens when your brain finally accepts these signals as real. Once this happens, you don't need tricks anymore. You can see them with fully opened eyes in broad daylight. That's the cool part. This is the same way you don't process your nose. You don't see it. It's edited out. But when all happens, you'll just have to focus on everything but your nose and everything else in the higher and lower frequency ranges that your eyes can now process. They are counting on you never learning this bridging of the gap. It's their greatest advantage in operating from the shadows of your own perception. But once the invisible becomes visible, their power starts to disappear forever. I'll release another video with more techniques.